Baro kinigilong ki kubor bong kasi. Dr. Andrew Ilohim Laloo uwe nagnawat niya ubadan benta haka project kidim jat uloong baka jingwat niya lingba ka DNA kanlong ka benta ka bakongsan jong ka jing persyang nagi babun kiliang banam ya ka Tynrai jong ki Khasi-Jaiñtia badi ka jing ïadei jong ki bat ki bay par ki jat benriyo. Habakran haka jing yalang play pat ba ya ka project Dr. Laloo uloong baki Khasi-Jaiñtia kilala ban pene pensa ya ka jing long kerpang jong ka culture baka riti ka dustur jong ki lingba ki spas ne. Kumta kani ka project kanwat benya ya ka jing ïadei haka imlang salang bat ka culture hapring ki Khasi-Jaiñtia bar ki jat benriyo ki badan ha South Asia bat Southeast Asia. Kawai ni ki jing kili bakongsan ka bangi kwa banwat ka jibab kalong na ka Tynrai jong ki Khasi-Jaiñtia kamtam habapet na kaliang ka jing ïadei haka tin ka culture bat ka riti ka dustur ulaong. Haba batay ka benta jong ka jingwat niya lingba ka jing stop sayan halo ka jin Dr. Laloo la batay ba ka DNA jong ubriyo ka dongkum ka kanong jing tip ka bakodor ka bala manyarap ikinong wat niya ban smooth ho kampa ya ka Tynrai ba ka jing lenti jong kilong sya mansya jong ka jat benriyo. Loong ba ka DNA ka hiyar pateng na kaway ka pateng siya kaway pan ha ka ba uway pa uway ubriyo uyo kung masanpo na ka shispa jong ka DNA nalaga kami bat sanpo na ka shispa na naukpa. Daga ba bishar benya iki jing per haga DNA jing Khasi-Jaiñtia ke ba imenta ki nong wat benya kena banap ya ka jing ïadei ba kilong shwa man sha bat ban smooth ho kam sha ya ka history ba man sha jong ka jat benriyo. Haga ni ka jing wat benya on ya nu jore ka jing long jong ka DNA jing Khasi-Jaiñtia ba ka jong ka jat benriyo ki ba marjan ha South Asia bat Southeast Asia ka kinhun nong wat benya ka tmu bane ya ka whole genome sequence ya ki katu kat ningut ki briyo ki blajit na ka jat benriyo khnang banyo iki jing tip babnya halor ka jing long jong ka DNA. U Dr. Laloo la pentip ba ka project kalayate jing ïadei lang ba ki shampang na ki jaka puli ba ki jaka trekam ki badan ni ka sap ba ka teknologi na ka bentaban say bat bishar bnya ya ka DNA. Na mar ka jing wat bnya kalong ka bajiliu ba ka badan kam ni ka jing start ba karpang on ïadei lang bru bat ki jaka bishar DNA ki bla biang ki kor ki bor. Nalor ka jingwat ika Tynrai loong ba ka jing bishar ka DNA ka Laloo ban ay jing tip ka bakodor halor ka koy ka kya jong ka jat benriyo. Kala banyarap iki nongwat niya ban pel ladon ni em ki jat jing pang ki bihar pateng ni ki jing pang ki ïadei ka rupam trekam jong men ki bakham julai hapreng ki Khasi-Jaiñtia. Henry ula banjur ba yakum kini ki jing lam on bishar tang haka kerdan jong ka imlang salang ni ka jat benriyo baro ka wei om haka kerdan jong wei pu wei ubriyo. Ka jingwat benya lingba ka DNA hapo ka project ki dinjat kan yarapan penyes no olang ya ki jinglam nagaktin ka thliet ya ki sakhi barim ki khana pateng karukom shna yeng shna sem kariti ka dustur bat ki tiar Tynrai kani kan yarapan te ya ki jing sngow thu ka bakham nya bat ka bakham pura halor ka Tynrai bat ka jing ïadei jing ki Khasi-Jaiñtia bat ki wei pat ki jat benriyo.
Dinjat, we examining the Khasi-Jaiñtia and socio-cultural linkages with Southeast Asia. As we are all aware, the northeast of India is a major linguistic hotspot and is home to more than 200 distinct languages and people groups packed into a relatively small, compact geographical area. It is in population groups. We aim to do this by whole genome sequencing of individuals in the Khasi-Jaiñtia community. We have already engaged academic collaborators in Nehru, Professor Sukumajao, who is also here, for DNA extraction as well as working with a large sequencer, a sequencing provider called Chromosome Labs in Mumbai. Since the level of sequencing that we intend to do is actually quite deep, the DNA sequences will also be able to provide additional data that may be useful from a disease perspective at a community level. Additional research questions such as whether these genetic metabolic diseases that are predisposed in our community can also be looked at if time and resources are notwithstanding. Once again, I thank the CM, Sri Conrad Sama, and the entire team at the Department of Arts and Culture, the Government of Meghalaya, for initiating this very timely project. Thank you very much.
Thank you so very much, Dr. Laloo.